apples and oranges, people. I don't even know what half this stuff is. I'm so excited. Hello and welcome back to Wanderlust for Life for day 11 of Vlogmas. I'm Jessica. If you're new here, thank you for joining us, or thank you for joining me. And if you have been watching for a while, thank you so much. Let me know down below how you discovered me, because I just think that's so fun. Anyway, today I am going to show you two very different hot chocolates. One is gonna be super luxurious and is dairy. And this one is vegan. And this is actually the one that I have all the time. So I'm actually gonna do a taste test. This is my current go-to. Both of these are homemade, but this one is considered Viennese, at least that's what the recipe said, and it actually includes an egg yolk. What? Yeah. And I topped it with whipped cream. Also today, I'm excited to show you some of the stuff that we get food-wise. We've made some major adjustments since the start of the pandemic, and one of those is to get delivery from a farmer's market. So I will show you that. It should be full of lots of goodies, and also goes into kind of how we've been eating lately. Again, more on that in a future video. Also, we should be receiving another food package that I'm excited to show you that we ordered a few days ago, and it is for something for next weekend. I'm really excited for that. Like, that's gonna be so much fun. You don't want to miss it. Definitely subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos. And of course, like the video if you enjoy it. But I'll still show you what's in it, and then you'll have to guess what we got for next weekend, and we'll freeze it until next weekend, so no worries. Okay, they're hot chocolates, so let's get drinking. So this has milk and some chocolate bar in it, and the type of chocolate is 70%, so it's high on the higher end of semi-sweet, and an egg yolk, which is very different for me, and that's just all cooked together. And then I topped it with some whipped cream. So this is the luxurious version. So I did not sweeten it at all. It is quite a dark chocolate, but it's not bitter at all, which I actually really appreciate. I wasn't sure. With 70%, I know that's kind of borderline for some people. You can use 60, and you can use whatever you want, but it suggested 60 to 70% to froth it up a little bit. So that's really nice. I'm gonna mix up the whipped cream and see if that makes it even more delicious, but I'm gonna try this one. I probably should have tried this one first, but this is made, typically I make this with oat milk or almond milk. This time I made it with oat milk. 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder or cacao powder. They are different. I don't know the difference, but they are different. 1 teaspoon of maple syrup and a pinch of salt, and just a teeny bit of vanilla. No whipped cream. So this is completely vegan. I really have to say, okay, so this is sweetened because it has the maple syrup in it, but I really like this. I really like this. With the maple syrup and the vanilla, I think this just elevates it flavor-wise. I do wonder if I added vanilla and sweetener to this, if I would feel differently about it. It's still really good. This, you know what? This feels like you're at a cafe. This feels like you're just hanging out at a cafe with a loved one, with friends and stuff like that. It's just very good. I'm gonna mix it up. Hold on. I'll be right back. So I'm gonna mix this up. I will put both of these down below, these recipes for you. And if you try them, please let me know in the comments if you try them. And if you just have a recipe that you use for yourself, or if you use the packaged one, let us know down below so that we can try them as well. Obviously, there's some things we just can't get here in the Netherlands, but that's kind of why I just decided to make my own homemade. All right, try it with the whipped cream in. Ooh. I did not sweeten my whipped cream, but I did put vanilla in it. Whenever I make whipped cream, I always add vanilla. So it did add another element to it. That's really good. Okay, so my main thing is this is way creamier. It feels waterier, but it tastes more, like there's almost more going on, I feel like. It's kind of apples and oranges, people. Okay, now we're just waiting for our delivery so I can show you what kind of goodies we got. Okay, delivery number 1 has come, and I'm definitely in my loungewear today. Got my red checkered lounge pants on. Anyway, Lindenhof is the first delivery that we got, and they have saved us through the pandemic. So they typically have a farmer's market type situation. They also supply a lot of restaurants. And since restaurants are mostly closed except for takeaway and delivery, they have a lot of extras. So they work with local farmers and producers, but also they bring in stuff too, just to fill the needs. So I'll show you what I got. We got the fruit and veggie box this time. We are trying to eat better, and we're also trying to get a little bit more creative with our food. And I checked the website before to see what was included. I think that was a general idea because I'm pretty sure none of this stuff was on here. I don't even know what half this stuff is. Parsley, loose parsley. The other thing is it's mostly zero waste, not completely. Got some very small beet. I don't like beets, but I'm trying to find ways to enjoy them. Whatever the heck this is, no, seriously, can you tell me what this is? Because I no idea. Whatever this is, some artichokes. Ooh, that's interesting. 3 different colors of carrots. Oh, you wanna hear something fun about carrots? I heard, and I think it might be true, that the Dutch actually made orange carrots, you know, because it's the House of Orange. But here's some other carrots. How cool is that? Lots of carrots, which I wanted carrots to use in smoothies, and also I make carrot fries, which are quite nice. I feel like I should know what this is. It's just a lettuce, right? I think some turnips, I'm not quite sure what to do with those. Zucchinis, I learned that you can chop these up, put them in the freezer and use them in smoothies. So I will do that, they make it creamier. Some other kind of rather beautiful lettuce. What? That's so cool. I think some winter carrots, is that what these are? And then this. Is this fennel? I think this is fennel. Not my favorite thing in the world. But the challenge is going to be finding ways to use all of this. So I'm really looking forward to that. That's the veggie part, but seriously, what is this? Maybe Sean knows. Okay, now the part that we ordered. So this was just kind of a, you get whatever they have that they need to get rid of. And then we ordered like some regular stuff too. Some oranges, because we do use these in smoothies. Apples, and this is also part of the fruits and vegetable package. Oh, pears. I love pears so much. Also, some of the things that we got is ricotta salata. Sean really likes putting this in different things. Fries from the Fruit Boutique. That is for something coming up as well. I don't always completely grasp how much things are in weight. And I got 1 instead of 2 of these, but this is, it's a variety of cherry tomatoes. I love the variety. And what I'm gonna do with them is this afternoon, I'm gonna make a snack with fresh bread. Yeah. So I'm gonna make like a bruschetta. Whoa, okay, so we got oranges, clementines, lemons. What's this? Oh, I didn't know there were carrots in the fruit and veg box, so I got more carrots. Know any good carrot recipes? Cream for a recipe Sean has, some eggs, and that's it. Waiting for one more delivery, and they should be here very soon. And I'll kind of talk more about that company when we get it. And our last delivery is here from Wild van Wild, which is wild of the wild. It's the best translation I can think of. So we are not vegans, despite the hot chocolate earlier. But we do want to be a little bit more responsible in our meat consumption. And Sean found this website, and I think it's such a great idea. So this is all wild game. It's found in the Netherlands and in Germany. Then they put them all together and package it like this. And I think that's such a cool idea. So we got a sampler pack, which is perfect for us because there are a couple of things that I really wanted. This being one of them. Can you guess why? Seriously, guess. I wanna see if you can get it. We're gonna do something super cool next weekend. Yeah, so we have different kinds of sausages, and beef stook, that, and I think it's deer. It looks like deer. Yeah, so this is just a great way to eat more sustainably. We're still working on trying to find a fishmonger that is sustainable. If you do live in Amsterdam or in North Holland and you know of one, please let us know. We have found a couple great options, but we still want to, you know, find the best one that is the most ethical. So yeah, that is what we got today. I'm really excited for this. We're probably gonna have some for dinner so that we can test it out. And then we'll save some for next weekend. And you guys are gonna love it. I'm so excited. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't watched the other Vlogmases, please go do that and check it out. Have fun, grab a drink, make hot chocolate. I'll leave the playlist down below so that you can check out the rest of Vlogmas. Thank you again, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.